Drones have taken the world by storm, and the technology just keeps advancing. These things are now used for everything from photography to package delivery, and yes, they're now even used to explore the depths of the ocean. Underwater drones have a number of advantages that make them perfect for deep dive research and exploration. One of the biggest advantages of using an underwater drone is the increased safety it offers. Drones enable exploration and filming in areas that would otherwise be inaccessible or too dangerous for humans. This is especially useful in dangerous environments such as shipwrecks or areas with dangerous wildlife. Underwater drones offer more flexibility when exploring the underwater world. Drones can reach places traditional methods can't, such as under ice or in small crevices. Drones are much cheaper to operate than traditional methods such as ships or submarines. This makes them perfect for long-term projects or those on a tight budget. Now, we did the heavy lifting, so let's proceed with our top 5 picks for the best underwater drones in 2025. If you're new to underwater drones and want to dabble in this fascinating world without spending a fortune, the Chasing Innovation Dory is a fine choice. This model has a 1080p Full HD camera with real-time viewing and app control, all combined with a portable design with a carrying case. A 49-foot tether is also included in the mix, meaning the Dory can dive up to 49 feet and capture high-quality photos and videos. The device's 1080p camera is paired with two 250 lumen front lights so it can reveal those vibrant underwater scenes. The True Color Restoration algorithm makes sure that images and videos maintain their dynamic hues regardless of lighting. One of the smallest and most affordable underwater drones, Dory is compact. It measures just 9.7 by 7.4 by 3.6 inches and weighs under 2.5 pounds. The device packs a 4800 mAh battery that delivers about an hour of use. It's easy to pack this one in a backpack for those on-the-go adventures of yours. Also included in the mix is the Chasing Go-To app that allows your smartphone to control the drone with ease. You can let it dive, move, hold depth, the whole show, just like a game controller. With dual play mode, you can even share the experience with friends or family. You can use the app for sharing your underwater discoveries too, with quick uploads to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the other platforms. Whether you're into diving, fishing, or just capturing the beauty beneath the waves, Dory is perfect for novices seeking a reliable and fun way to explore. At its price point, this model offers incredible value. Up next, check out the PowerVision PowerRay Wizard, easily the top all-around underwater drone on the 2025 market right now. This comprehensive kit includes the drone and essential accessories perfect for capturing both underwater and aerial adventures. With 4K video recording and 12 megapixel photos, your water escapades will be documented in stunning detail. The drone features a CMOS sensor for single shots, burst mode at 5 FPS, and that slow motion footage at 2K or 4K resolution. Operating the PowerRay Wizard is a breeze with the included controller and Vision Plus app for a truly immersive experience paired with VR goggles. The drone's 6 LED lights provide excellent illumination in dim underwater environments, enhancing your exploration. One of the standout features of this model is its angler-friendly tools. The bait drop line allows you to attach and maneuver bait with precision using the app, offering a unique fishing method. The drone's quiet operation ensures fish remain undisturbed. Another innovative feature is the Power Seeker. This thing delivers valuable insights including fish detection, water temperature, and underwater terrain mapping. This information is seamlessly delivered to the Vision Plus app, keeping you informed about the underwater world in real time. The PowerRay Wizard's versatile speed settings let you dive at various paces, achieving up to 4 hours on lower speeds. Whether you're diving, fishing, or just eager to explore, the PowerRay Wizard is your go-to device. Its blend of high-tech features and intuitive design makes it an ideal choice for adventurers seeking a comprehensive underwater experience. Dive into a world of discovery with this exceptional underwater drone. Considering the price tag, we're very, very impressed here. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier underwater drone, the Geneinno T1 is a standout choice on the 2025 market. This premium drone can dive up to an impressive 1,312 feet and easily stay submerged for 4 hours on a single charge. With an HD camera and powerful lights, exploring the ocean's depths becomes an exciting adventure. The Geneinno T1 is equipped with two 1500 lumen front lights, making it ideal for professional explorers who need clear visibility in dark waters. The drone boasts a top-tier 4K camera and a wide 160-degree field of view and a 120-degree tilt, perfect for capturing extraordinary underwater footage. With 6 thrusters, it navigates smoothly through challenging marine environments. The T1 comes with multiple accessories, including FPV goggles, a robotic arm, a sonar system, and a waterproof microphone. Durability is a key feature of the Titan, as it can withstand more than the occasional bump. Photographers will appreciate the ability to use camera filters, enhancing image quality. The Titan is battery-powered and allows for precise navigation with its tilt-lock mode, offering 60-degree angle adjustments. This makes the device easy to maneuver around obstacles and track marine life for unique shots. Designed with both functionality and ease of use in mind, the Titan is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into a backpack. The intuitive remote control simplifies navigation, allowing you to dive, maintain depth, and just move around with maximum ease. The Geneinno T1 is perfect for tech enthusiasts and adventure lovers who want to capture and share their underwater experiences. This versatile drone combines simplicity with power, making it a must-have for premium underwater exploration. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, meet the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini, the runner-up best drone for underwater exploration in 2025. We're looking at a compact and portable device, perfect for budding photographers, researchers, and folks conducting security checks beneath the waves. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes this thing easy to carry and handle, and then the innovative motor design minimizes the risk of jamming in sandy environments. The Gladius Mini is packed with a remote control that supports both Wi-Fi and wired connections to mobile devices. It's stable data transmission all the way here, no connectivity issues during use whatsoever. With a top speed of 4 knots and a diving depth of up to 100 meters, this model is well suited for a range of underwater filming needs. The Gladius Mini also has a pretty impressive horizontal recording range of 200 meters and up to 4 hours of operation. The drone's imaging capabilities are enhanced by a Sony CMOS sensor and 2400 lumen LED lights. You'll appreciate the drone's ability to provide real-time feedback on underwater conditions, such as temperature and depth, that aid in data collection and analysis. The Gladius Mini's aerodynamic design makes it a practical choice for on-the-go adventures, fitting snugly into a backpack for easy transport. Whether you're documenting underwater life or conducting scientific research, the Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini offers a user-friendly and feature-rich experience for all your underwater exploration endeavors. Thumbs up, that's for sure. And finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall underwater drone in 2025, the Qysea Fifish V6 Expert. Qysea has expanded its catalog of underwater drones with a new professional design that promises to get the best shots of the seabed, the Fifish V6 Expert. This model, which moves at a speed of 1.5 meters per second, comes with 6 thrusters for 360-degree movement and a 156 WH lithium battery that allows it to operate for 5 hours on a single charge. If required, it can be equipped with an optional shore power system that offers optimal diving performance and uptime. Also, this thing reaches a maximum depth of 100 meters. It includes a camera that can record 4K videos at up to 30 FPS and 12 megapixel photos and a 6,000 lumen LED spotlight. What really sets this model apart is that it can be attached to a wide variety of tools: complementary lights, robotic arm, mini circular saw, pH sensor, 2D probe module, laser rangefinder. The possibilities are almost endless here. The V6 Expert interface enables the efficient integration of a wide range of professional-level and industry-specific tools for solving different scenarios and tasks. The device applies unique sensory controls that provide the user with a truly immersive underwater experience from the ROV's first-person perspective. Via smart VR glasses, you can get the Qysea patented full 360-degree direction and attitude control simply by turning your head. This smart feature is precise, easy to use, a genuine breakthrough in underwater research. The V6 Expert comes equipped with a pair of ultra-bright 6,000 lumen LED lights along with its 4K UHD camera, which delivers bright, vivid images and footage even in the darkest of spaces. And finally, the V6 Expert has a super capacity battery of 14,400 mAh that ensures a long battery life, fast charging capabilities, 90% capacity in just 1 hour, as well as multiple safety mechanisms. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.